Use all fingers of both hands alternately. To pull up along the lower jawline, when using rotating fingers, pay attention that all 4 fingers must exert force upwards. After rotating on the front, reverse rotate from behind. After finger rotation, use thumbs and fish border areas to relax the masseter muscle region, preventing masseters from becoming too big. Then cross all 10 fingers to decompress the face. Line 1. Alternate hands to pull the entire jawline up to the temples. One hand slides from in front of the ear to behind. Then do stroking techniques down the neck and shoulder. Line 2. Alternate hands to pull from mouth corners up to the temples, also going from in front of ears around to behind ears and stroking down. Line 3. Pull the entire apple muscle region, also pull up to the temples, then stroke down. Line 4. Use scissor hands to pull the entire eye region. Alternate scissor hands to pull up to the outer eye corners, which is the temple area. Then stroke down from in front of ears around behind. Line 5. Palms face down to pull the entire forehead region. Also pull up to the temples. Stroke down from front of ears around behind.